Hello everyone, this is Robert Weaver and I just want to do my quick quiz review for you today. I chose from the second attempt question number 8, and that question reads, according to the Revised Uniform Limited Partnership Act as adopted in Tennessee, you'll have to look up the law, how long does a limited partnership LP last in this state? And looking at all the answers here, we have 50 years unless the LP certificate says otherwise. The LP will, second answer you can choose from is the LP will exist indefinitely unless the LP certificate says otherwise. And the third one is 50 years unless the LP agreement says otherwise. And the last one that we can choose from here is whatever length of time is specified in the LP agreement. So let me go through these with you individually. And looking at the textbook really didn't give any definitive answer on this. There is the cheat sheet in back, which actually for a limited partnership, it says according to this, the duration of a limited partnership is indefinite, may dissolve on death or withdrawal of general partner unless otherwise agreed to in the partnership agreement. So I believe on the first attempt I probably selected one of these. Either the LP will exist indefinitely unless the LP, no, that's not the answer I was looking for. 50 years unless the LP agreement says otherwise, or the last answer, whatever length of time is specified in the LP agreement. Now we know from LLLP, those are usually set up for a short duration of time, a limited time duration as specified in the agreement. That's according to the textbook, but we're dealing with a limited partnership here, so really that information doesn't apply to this particular question. And on the first attempt, I believe I got this answer wrong in trying to look up the answer with the very limited time on this complex quiz that we had. And after the quiz, I was able to actually look up the correct answer. Let me bring up this for you. And initially, I looked up the RULPA adoption under Tennessee. This is the only thing that came up from the Secretary of State, and this kind of outlines the different laws and amendments the state has chosen, and it does give you the law section. So what I did after the quiz is I actually went through here and I was able to, not by using this information actually, I was able to, by going through each individual law, I was able to find the answer that I was looking for. So let me go ahead and bring that up for you. And under the Tennessee Code Title 61 Partnerships, Section 61-2-201, I found the answer that I was actually looking for. Let me go ahead and scroll down for that for you. And we can see here from Section C, the actual last sentence gives us the correct answer, and that being a limited partnership shall have a term of 50 years unless a certificate of limited partnership provides otherwise. So the answer that we're actually looking for in this particular question, based on Tennessee statute, is the first one, which is 50 years unless the limited partnership certificate says otherwise. So the information given in the textbook is a little bit misleading. You have to look up the specific statute in order to find the correct answer for this particular question, because the state of Tennessee doesn't recognize the LP agreement, you have to form a certificate and file that with the Secretary of State. So 50 years unless the LP agreement says otherwise would not be a correct answer. Whatever length of time is specified in the LP agreement also wouldn't be the correct answer. And the LP will exist indefinitely unless the LP certificate says otherwise. And that can be misleading if you go by the cheat sheet as well. As we can see clearly from the law that the first answer is correct, 50 years unless the LP certificate says otherwise. Okay, so that's my quiz review. I hope everybody enjoyed it, and I hope I made some sense to anybody listening to this. But anyway, take care.